So today's video is about revamping this French coils wig. This customer brought this hair that she doesn't like the lace that was used for her by another vendor, so she asked me to redo it. Luckily for her, the French coils was an original French coil, but the only problem she had was the lace. The lace was not good for this French coil. She asked me to lose it from beginning to the end and use the same coils to do another wig. First of all, I didn't like the braiding because it was not as neat as I wanted. So while I was trying to lose the hair, it started tangling very bad. It was not supposed to be so because French coils wig are so silky and it's easy to lose, especially if you use the water technique. So I began thinking of what to do so that I can still use the extension again. And one thought came to my mind: to cut it off from the root. It was a hard decision to make because I kept wondering, if I do this, will it still be good? Well, I had to try my possible best because I had already told the customer that she have to buy only one bundle so as to just complement it. I also had my doubts because this was not a crochet wig. This wig was wigged from the hair. You know what I mean? So it means some of the hairs will still be sticking out from the braids. Phew, what to do? I had to just try my best. So this is me cutting it off from the roots, making sure I cut everything out. Another challenging part is that this wig has already been braided, so some parts will be long and some parts will be short. Come to think of it, why will you even use this kind of lace for a French coils extension that is very expensive? Imagine getting one bundle of French coils wig for 7,000 naira and you use 5 bundles of it just to use this kind of lace for it. Hey, braiders, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that you cannot use this kind of lace for braiding, no, but know the kind of braids you use it for. Hello, this is a luxury hair. So I'm done cutting everything out. It's time for me to do my magic. First things first, the customer said she wanted a human hair lace, a 7x7 human hair lace. So I had to order for one because I didn't have time to ventilate. And when I ordered, she said she doesn't, the person, my vendor, says she does not have lace or till. I had to order it from one of my ex-students. So now still we do the ventilating. Yeah, I had to take my flowers. So while the ventilating was still going on, I had to start making the hair. I had to measure the part that the 7x7 will be placed on. I use my concealer to mark the place. Oh, my expensive concealer. My tailor shock has finished, so I had to improvise. Another thing to take note on this hair is that I also marked the places I'll be putting I'll be sewing in the braids. That's the ready-made braids. So this is how I sew it down. I first of all put the needle on the cap and then sew it, making sure that the threads does not show on the braids. And after which I cut it and then use what's the name of that thing again? Use lighter and burn the tips. No, and burn the excess thread. Thank you. Do I need to explain this part? Do I? No, I don't need to. Please go and watch the detailed video I will be putting on the description box about this. Okay? It will be more detailed, so I don't need to explain this part. Thank you. Don't mention. So we are almost done with the braids, oh, and this is just the braiding part. That other part I've already finished it. That thing that you saw me do in those with those two braids, that's how I did everything. So, and that's it. Now braiding, pa. Before you know it, braid don't finish. Woo! Let me put small song for you so that you enjoy this part. My mouth don't depend me. So I'm done with the braiding. Yeah, I'm done. And I know you did not expect to see a kettle of hot water unless you are an old subscriber, of course, because you've watched my other videos. Anyways, I will not be pouring this hot water on this hair. I will just be using it to flatten the braids, like the closure parts. Yes, just to flatten the hair to make it more, more flat, more silky, more shiny. That hot water is just to use it to, any part that is rough, especially the fact that I had to lose this hair and remake it. So sorry, I had to, it's a part of losing, so it's just like making it to flatten, making it to be silkier, and that's all. Is my best part of braiding. The way this foam will just come out, I now put it on the hair. It sweets me. I love the way the feelings is on the hand. So even if this is not needed on any hair, I'll also put it, but it's actually needed. Just like to style the hair, you know what I mean? My hands are blessed though. See how neat these parts are. Please, if you have watched to this extent, please subscribe. And if not subscribed, what have you been doing since now? And what for you? I beg, just subscribe now. Do I need to kneel down and beg you? Subscribe, be cool. And please don't forget to comment on the comment section. If you find this video helpful, why is it hard for you to comment? Why is it hard to just say thank you on the comment section, or I love this video on the comment section? Why is it hard for you? You don't need to pay. Just comment now, say I love the video, thank you, do this one, do the other one. Thank you very much. You see, this part is very, very essential in French coils wig. Even if you've bought the wig and wearing it already, you see this part, always make sure that you do this on your French coils wig at least once in a month. So that the coils of that wig will still bounce. Mind you, there is leave-in conditioner in that water that I soaked this hair on. So I'll also be putting leave-in conditioner again after I've soaked it. That's water I soaked it is just so that it will help suck the leave-in conditioner. That's what it means. So after I've done that one, then the next thing I'll be putting now is curl keeper. Curl keeper. If it's my Ghana sister, they will say curl keepers. So, mademoiselle, this is the finished look of our hair. My mouth is being good. Okay, this is the finished look of our head. This is how it came out. And guys, please comment down. Just go now to the comment section and tell me how this hair looks. Tell me how you feel. Just rate this hair in a scale of 1/10. Tell me if this hair came out nice and beautiful. Okay, also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, if this is your first time coming here, thank you and welcome to my channel. Please do well to subscribe and join the family. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you will get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. All subscribers, I love you. I love you guys. Mwah. Please don't forget to comment. Your comments, you don't know how many times I've tried to quit YouTube just because of your comments. I keep coming back. Please help me. Help me by commenting and encouraging me. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.